Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is a 2012 Chevy Equinox LTZ all-wheel drive. Stock number Z7810XX. 79,000 miles and there's one owner. Comes to us with a clean auto check history report. Black granite metallic in color. The Equinox is a very safe vehicle. It's an Insurance Institute of Highway Safety's top safety pick. Seats 5 with a leather interior. Lots of legroom for the rear passengers. Split seat back folds down to accommodate longer cargo items. Backup camera, along with rear parking sensors for additional safety. Hitch and wiring. Power liftgate for convenience. Lots of cargo space in the rear, with additional storage cubbies on both sides, as well as power outlet. And very clean, as you can see. This LTZ has keyless entry with remote start, power windows, locks, mirrors, 8-speaker Pioneer sound system, power seat, along with memory settings for 2 drivers, power moonroof overhead, gauges with driver information system, cruise control, steering wheel mounted audio control so you can keep your hands on the wheel, large touchscreen infotainment system. For radio, it's also satellite radio capable. Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use or to connect other Bluetooth enabled devices. Great for wireless music streaming. And that is, of course, where the backup camera display is. Hard keys below for radio. Heating and air conditioning along with heated front seats. 6-speed automatic transmission with manual shift capability. Lots of storage space in the armrest. USB and auxiliary input allows you to connect those mobile media devices. Spacious glove box with the owner's manual. Overhead, auto dimming mirror, power moonroof, and liftgate control. Under the hood, this Equinox is a 3-liter V6, 264 horsepower. And just as clean under the hood as the rest of the vehicle. EPA fuel economy estimates an average of 16 miles to the gallon in the city, average of 23 on the highway, and ready to go with new tires. For more information on this Equinox, please go to SheboyganAuto.com.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.